found. Wow, I was just filming, there's a cormorant out there. He just dove under, and I looked a little closer. Oh, there's the cormorant. Let's see. Where is he? There he is. I was filming him, and there's a loon. Oh, he really was under. He's gone already. Let's see if we can find him. They can really travel under the water. See all the green edge? All the buds? He's right here somewhere. The buds on that tree. Cool. Oh no, there's people coming. Alright, he should be right here. Where did he go? There he is. Oh, my favorite. Hi, Mr. Loon. Mrs. Bye. They're beautiful. He just went under there. He could pop up. Who knows where? It's so good to have the seabirds back. Now that spring is in the air. Come on, buddy, pop up. There he is. Say goodbye to him. Peace.